Hello everyone, this is Sam here and I'm gonna be your SolidWorks tutor. First of all, SolidWorks is one of the most commonly used CAD programs. It is a mechanical design that lets designers create structure prototypes rapidly and exactly. If you are a beginner and want to sketch ideas, so this channel for you. We are going to cover everything you need to be able to design on SolidWorks. In this video, we're gonna teach you how to start using this software and how to extrude your first design, so you can always come back and get more. I'm using the 2016 version, but the instructions are valid for all versions you use. So let's get started. Go to the file and select new. As you see, we have the three choices: part for single design components, assembly, structures part, and drawing. It's a 2D engineering drawing, generally of parts or assembly. Firstly, we're gonna discuss and design the part case. This is the platform of SolidWorks. Units are very important. Make sure you don't blunder. I'm gonna choose MMGS unit, but it's your call. The front plane, top plane, and the right plane are the platform where we design. Front plane, sketch, and normal view. As you see, we have many patterns we can draw. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. There are 5 types of rectangle, but I'm gonna choose the center one. Now it's time to change dimensions. Dimensions are fundamental in designing, so make sure you dimension it all. Select the smart dimension and put any dimension you want to the sides. It's time to extrude your design. Go to Features and select Extruded Boss. You can put the depth you want and in any direction you want. You see? On the other hand, you can control your point of view by selecting a view orientation and choose your view you want to draw or present your design. Easy, isn't it? Also, we can change the color of our design. Select the body and choose the color you want. Okay, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Many other basics tutorial videos are coming soon. Kindly subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.